Hey guys, Joel from Mobility and Wellness. Today I'm going to give you a little insight into just how the Vogue carbon fibre seat walker is going to arrive. As you're about to see, this walker is 100% assembled and does not require any tools for assembling. With a few minor adjustments, this walker is ready to go in a matter of minutes. To start, let's take it out of the box. Simply pull your walker out of the box. To start with, remove any packaging that is on your walker. Your walker, when it is in the box, is locked. This is due to the lock when fold button here on the front. Simply push this red button in and your folder will unlock. Push down on the left and right hand side of the walker and lock your walker into place. Next, you're going to want to adjust the handle heights. To do so, loosen the knobs on either side, find your height, firmly tighten the knobs into place. Next, it's always good to check the brakes. These are preset when they arrive to you, but it's always good to double check. To do so, simply just go for a little walk. Make sure they stop. Check the locking brakes. The walker should not move. As you can see guys, this walker comes 100% assembled and requires no tools for assembly. With a few minor adjustments, once you've pulled it out of the box, your walker is ready to go. If you would like any more information on the carbon fibre or any of our other range, please visit us at mobilityandwellness.com.au or give us a call 1300 108 280. Thanks for watching guys.